I could fix this, or I could just not fix this. I'm going with not fixing it. That's, I think, we'll probably even make this lighter. Third time is the charm. Well, exit, remove, import. Number 3. And number 2, center and arrange, slice. That's half. That's half the time and half the materials used. And I bet it's going to work. It's going to work. That though does not look fine. Come, I didn't see that before. Yeah, that's a bit silly. It's this guy, right? I don't think we can fix this. Really. We might just need to make this smaller. I wonder if it'll break all kinds of stuff. No, that's the feature. We are looking for the sketch. The sketch. If we step this down. Probably going to print. I think this fillet could go all the way out. Thanks. There we go. Fourth time's the charm. And let's import this and try. Take a look. This looks printable. It might be some kind of problems there. Not sure. That last layer there is pushing it in terms of overhanging. But I have 2 sides, so I'm just gonna to turn the pretty side to what you can see and the other side inwards, so not a problem. I'm just going to go ahead and print this and I'll show you the results later. Well, it's later and we've printed the support. I'm just going to give you a quick look on how it turned out. The pictures will be in the blog linked in below. This is the final result here. It's pretty steep, big layers, so you can totally see them. Doesn't matter though. Here is our support, and it did the job. Very good. The roof looks perfect actually. And you just remove the supports very easily. This is some video inception going on here. It's just me removing the supports and they just snap off and leave no major scuff marks. You can see there, and here is the my improved work situation. And yeah, that's enough of this. If there's any questions, please go ahead and ask them. I'll be happy to answer. and check out our blog in the comments below. Thanks.